Wow!
Mom, Mom.
Where did you get that? She must have to buy. Is that for she must buy for you? No. She must give me money and she will I love the tea. Mommy! Where's your tea? Wait! Where are you? You give it to the money to me.
Dilaw siya.
Yes, 1, 2, 3.
Kuya, oh. Mami. Kuya, look at the fish. Look at the fish.
Wow! Yeah, look at me. See me. See so black. Kuya. Look, me. Let's go now.
Let's go. Time to go home.